Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create cards on the Trello application so that you can keep track of your workspace process. So first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the second icon down below, which is called My Cards. Here, if you would like to add any cards to the My Cards section, just simply click on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you are able to select the board you would like to work in and also select a list by simply clicking on them. Then in the middle of the screen you can see a bar in which you have to type in the name of your card and add the description. Now you can also select the starting date and the due date. Just simply press the button done in the upper right corner of the screen if you are done with it. Then you can also add members by clicking on it and then going back by the card button, and then you can also add attachments to it by clicking on the plus icon in the button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. You can also use photos from your gallery or take a photo right away with your phone. So if you are done, all you need to do is clicking on the button create at the top of the screen in the right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.